In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out of your timeline. By the end, you'll be able to quickly move between a broad overview of your project and a precise frame-by-frame view, which makes editing faster and far more accurate. First, open the Premiere Pro app and load the project you want to work on. Make sure you can see the timeline panel at the bottom of your workspace. That panel is where all your clips are arranged, and it's the area we'll be zooming into and out of. If you don't see a sequence on the timeline yet, that's okay. We'll bring media in next so you have something to view. Next, import your file. You can do this by going to the File menu and choosing Import, then selecting your media. Alternatively, you can drag a video or audio file straight from your computer into the project panel. Once the media is in your project, drag it onto the timeline to create or populate a sequence. Now you'll see the time ruler and your clip laid out horizontally, which gives the zoom tools something to work with. To zoom in and out of your timeline, look for the zoom control directly beneath the timeline. This is the horizontal slider. Dragging the handle to the right zooms in, revealing more detail and smaller time increments. Dragging it to the left zooms out, letting you see a wider portion of your sequence at once. As you adjust the slider, watch the time ruler at the top of the timeline. It updates to show you your current scale, so you always know whether you're looking at seconds, frames, or larger chunks of time. If you need to find